But am I gonna leave it like this? No. I always liked doing things a little different, stand out from the rest, be my original self. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and yeah, I'm about to try some new hair, and it's long. So if you want to see what this looks like on me, make sure you take a moment. If you haven't already, take a moment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Leave this video a thumbs up if you just like watching people try new things without you having to try it yourself. And get ready to leave me a comment. This is the Sensational Instant Weave Half Wig. In the style and color is IWD 12 in the color 1B. I got this for below $15 from ebonyline.com. Yes. It doesn't say the length. I'm not sure what happened during shipping or processing, but that's been taped up here. Let me open this. It says cap size can be adjusted to fit various head sizes, can be worn as a half wig or updo by adjusting the drawstring cap, combs for extra security, and sensational style in 60 seconds. Okay. And here are the other colors it comes in. Ooh, that T230 looks cute. Also that 12 copper. Okay, I'm getting all besides the point. Okay, so it gives you all the instructions on how to maintain it. It's made with Futura fibers, so it's safe up to 300 to 400 degrees. Will I be putting heat on this? No. Here goes the front. So we have a comb in the front, 2 combs on the side, and 1 comb in the back. Pretty basic. Looks like it sits pretty flat. Kind of silky here. So we got a few snags, but not much of anything. Maybe one hair right there. One hair that came out, that's it. Okay, as you can see, she is long. This might be a 24. I'm short. Do you see this? This go to my waist. Actually, this go to my almost my booty, about to my booty. This is crazy. Yeah. Let me go ahead and try this on real quick, and I'm gonna have to adjust this camera so you can even see how long this is. But we start right here and keep going, 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 and here we go. So that should give you a little bit of idea. Let's see what it looks like without leave out. I have a peanut head, so this covers my whole head. But am I gonna leave it like this? No! I could put a little headband, head wrap, something, and I would be done. This is a very low density. This is not thick at all. At all. Now I push it back a little bit. That looks more like it. Push it back a little bit more. That's even better. Okay, so I'm gonna have to leave some of my hair out. The match looks pretty good to me. Not as far as texture, no, but color, I think it's pretty good. Y'all tell me what you think. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this without doing anything to my hair. No flat iron, no nothing. We're just gonna try to blend it in. So this is like a loose wave, or really body wave. You want a body wave? Here you go. Now that's brushed out, this is what we have. And yeah, this is thin. I can see through it a little bit. Okay. Oh, I need to adjust this drawstring or this will go flying off my head. So that's the back. Now to cover this part up, that's my concern, is covering that up because my hair is not the thickest right here. Okay, so it does lay pretty flat, my hair though, because the ponytails, the braid is going up, it's puffing it out in the back a little bit. We're gonna do a bit of half up, half down. Now we all know I don't have the most flourishing edges, but we're just gonna pretend, okay? So what the back is looking like. Remember, I have a little bun right there. Look at that. So, what am I gonna do with this child? I don't even know. This is my first time touching this stuff. What I kind of think I'm going to do is that. But mix some twine up in there. So I keep playing around with it, because you just want it laying flat as possible. Okay, and now I'm gonna make up some stuff, because that's what I do. Every time I come in front of this camera, I don't have a plan. I make it up as I go. We're gonna work with some of this tinsel because New Year's tinsel, they go together, don't it? Now, I'm just gonna take this 2 of the 3 legs and I'm just gonna braid it in. Let's hope it don't fall out, y'all. Really, really light. I don't want this tight at all. And I didn't make it even, so I'm gonna have to borrow from over here. This is not a perfect blend with my own hair, but you know, we're gonna make it happen. It's supposed to be a little messy. Okay, so the stencil's in there, okay? And I'm gonna wrap it around. Really loose. Okay, so a bobby pin to hold it down. But I'm trying to pull apart this braid as much as possible because again, this is messy. This ain't meant to look all like, you know, I have it together. And I can secure this with a bobby pin, or I can secure it right in the bottom of this ponytail holder. Just what I think I'm doing, just a piece of it. So I know it's not going nowhere. Okay, y'all see how I got the tinsel up in there? I think this has been here long enough. Take this off. And voila. And voila. Okay, Nats, don't do too much now. Yeah, I'm still gonna put a bobby pin on there, but there's a little bit of tinsel, just a little bit. And there we have the hair. Now this is synthetic, it's long, and it doesn't have a whole lot of back to it, so it's gonna tangle. It's supposed to, it's gonna do what it's supposed to do. Our job is not to get too mad and carry a brush with you. But what do y'all think? Y'all think this is cute for New Year's Eve, bringing in 2023 without hair in your face, with a little tinsel action to make it look festive, adding to the glitter that's in my eyeshadow. And you see, I did this and I don't got no edges, but I still did a little something, something. That's what it looks like. That's a lint. That's what it looks like in the back. But I like it. What you think about my little made up do I just did to bring in 2023 using tinsel from Amazon, some Dollar Tree gel, and this instant weaves from Sensationnel, and again in the style IWD 12, the color 1B. super quick. Really minimal products used. I could do a little bit on my edges, made it a little bit festive, kept the hair out of my face, all for no money at all, really. This is an under $20 hairstyle, child. This is an under $20 hairstyle, Roses. Would you wear this? Would you wear it in a shorter hairstyle? Have you ever wore a half wig? Have you ever wore an instant weave? Have you ever wore a headband wig? Have you ever wore any additional hair whatsoever? Let me know down below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe on your way out. If you're not new but you haven't subscribed yet, girl, come on now. You see what I just did in front of your face with no plan whatsoever? I think I deserve a subscription at this point. So go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up if you just like people just winging it in front of the camera for cheap. And leave me a comment. Other than that, Happy New Year, and I will talk to you later, Roses. Bye.